Okay, hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we're in the Meguiar's booth at Barrett Jackson. And the first time I ever took a truck to a car show was in Del Mar, probably 4.5, 5 years ago. And so they let us park in their booth. And it was my first time taking a truck that we'd built to a car show, two good guys, and we had an opportunity to be in the Meguiar's booth. And so since then, we've had such a great relationship with Meguiar's. We've been in their booth pretty much almost every SEMA, almost every Barrett Jackson, but we got to make a good car. It's got to look good, and it's got to shine, and it's got to represent Meguiar's. So here we are underneath their tent. They've got a brand new truck, and they've also got some brand new products that they're showing off. I'll just kind of talk to you a little bit about it. So what they've got is they've got this new ceramic line, and so you've got basically a ceramic detailer, a ceramic wax that you just kind of spray it, wash it off, spray it, wash it off kind of a deal, and then you got a wipe on wax. You've got the ceramic clay, which comes with the ceramic detailer inside it, and so you actually will help clean your car, but also help provide extra protection as you're detailing your car and getting it protected. So very cool stuff. It's only been out maybe a year to 6 months, and amongst all their products, it's all good stuff, guys. You definitely want to, if you're going to the store, you're going to AutoZone, or you're going to O'Reilly's, wherever you're headed, definitely check out the Meguiar stuff. It's the best of the best. Not only just good product, but it's actually good people. Family business, and people that have been here and working for this company for a really long time are just salt of the earth company, and they really do produce the very best products out there. So we're happy with it. We even, if you even buy their microfiber towels, these things they're large, they're big, and they're one of the nicest microfibers you can get out there. Good product. Take a look at all this stuff, and next time you're shopping for a detailer spray or take care of your car, definitely look at Meguiar's. Thanks.